Hey guys, welcome back to channel Tech Talk and this is Mitesh. So guys, in the past few days I've been doing a lot of smartphone unboxing and I'm sure that you must have seen plenty of it. So today I thought why not do something different. So for that I have with me this Asus TUF series laptop which is going to be a performance based laptop. So now guys, let's begin with the unboxing of this laptop. So now guys, it's time for unboxing. So let's do it. So let's see the first unboxing on our channel. Oh nice. So we get stickers over here. So you can have a look. Okay, thanks Asus. I'll use these stickers definitely. So now here we get our laptop which is kept on the top. So guys, let me keep the laptop aside for now. So you can have the first look at the laptop. So this is how it looks. So now moving on to the next content of this box, let's see what we get over here. We get a user manual along with some papers. That's a user guide and this is supposed to be a normal guide to use, and this is the letter from Asus where they have talked about the services they offer. So let me keep everything aside for now and let's see what else we get over here. So we get a power adapter over here which is about 150 watt as you can see over here. So now let me keep it aside and see what's inside the box. So here we get a power cord. So guys, this was the box content. So now let's see the laptop. Okay, so we are done with the unboxing of this laptop. So now guys, let me show you the physical overview of this laptop. So guys, this is how it looks from top. So let me show you how it looks from below. So this is how it looks. There is nice honeycomb design over here. So now let me open it and show you first how it looks on the inside. Wow, it looks nice. So guys, as you can see, the design is very classy. But first, let me show you the physical overview and its button and keys of this laptop. Then we can talk about its aesthetic and how it feels in the inside. Talking about the front part, here we get a metal finish with simple design and the brand logo which is over here. And on the top, we get TUF Gaming embossing. And talking about the inside, the button seems to have been placed very well, the design is on point, and even the feel of the laptop is nice. And moving down to the back side of this laptop, here we get honeycomb design. And moving behind the laptop, here we get two air vents for ventilation. So now moving on to the right side of this laptop, here we get USB 2.0 Type A port with Kensington lock. And now talking about the left side, here we get a power input port, a RJ45 port, two USB 3.2 Type A port along with USB-C port and headphone mic jack combo. Also, you can take the display output from Type-C port. Talking about the build quality is very good. So now let's boot up the laptop. So until the laptop boots up, you can see the specifications which have been put on the display. So now talking about the display, the quality of display that you get in this laptop is the same as you get the laptop of budget of 90k. The display is bright enough with decent colors and good viewing angles. And getting 144Hz of refresh rate is going to take your gaming experience to next level because there are very few laptops in this price range that will offer you this refresh rate. So in terms of display, I will give it thumbs up. Now talking about the keyboard and trackpad, in the keyboard, the reach of the keyboard was very good and you get full 100% of keyboard. And here we get RGB backlit keyboard which is nice, and you can change the color of this keyboard using the Asus's own Armoury Crest software. In this software, you can do lot of things like controlling the light of your keyboard to controlling it to your laptop and using it in different mode like performance mode, a silent mode and many others. And talking about the camera, here we have 720p resolution of webcam. So now talking about the speaker quality, let me play a song and show you. So here we get dual speaker support, so sound separation is really nice, but I felt according to my taste the speaker could have been louder. But if speaker is your priority, then you can definitely look at some other models from Asus which are really good. So now talking about the battery, here we get 90 watt hour of battery backup, which according to my studio used in most power economical mode, I could get a battery backup of 2 to 2.5 hours with casual use. Well, definitely this can vary depending on how you use the laptop. So now it's time to run some benchmark. So here I'll be running Cinebench R23 software, where we'll get to see the score of this laptop in single core and multi-core. So guys, the result is on the display, so please have a look. So now I'll be gaming for some time and sharing my experience with you all. So guys, the game did run smoothly, and even the temperature of this laptop during the gameplays were good, so I will definitely say the thermals of this laptop are very good. So guys, now coming to the conclusion, if you ask me if this is the laptop for you, then I would say you're going to game heavy all day long, or if you're planning to editing all day long, then guys definitely you can look at some other products from Asus. But guys, if you're just the person who will be using it for casual use as well as for gaming and some light editing, then definitely this is the laptop for you, because it offers features like no other laptop in this price range. Features like 144Hz of refresh rate with such good build quality, and specs like good RAM and its good internal storage which can be expanded as per your need. So guys, that's it. This was the review of this laptop, and I hope to see you in my future videos. Until then, take care.